Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix YouTube not loading on Google Chrome. So if the page stays blank, keeps buffering, or videos never open, follow along step by step to fix it. Alright, let's dive in. First, open your browser on your computer. Once your browser is open, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Settings. After opening Settings, look at the left side and click on Privacy and Security. Then choose Third-Party Cookies, and after that, click See All Site Data and Permissions. At the top of the page, you'll see a search bar. Type YouTube into the search box. When YouTube appears in the results, click the trash icon next to it and press Delete. This clears corrupted cache and site data that often stops YouTube from loading. Now we need to check your extensions. On the left side, click Extensions. Then disable any active extensions,
especially VPNs, proxies, or ad blockers.
These can block video resources and prevent the page from opening. After that, close the browser completely and reopen it. Go back to YouTube and try playing a video again. If the problem still appears, open YouTube in a different browser and try playing a video there. This forces a fresh session and usually fixes loading problems caused by Chrome conflicts. And that's it. There's no special repair button, but clearing your stored data and removing browser interference is the best way to get YouTube loading again.